Imagine 4,000 years ago, in the cradle of civilization, ancient Mesopotamia. A Sumerian scribe etches a recipe onto a clay tablet, not for a meal, but for a beverage, beer. Yes, the world's oldest known recipe is for beer. Inscribed on this ancient tablet are instructions for brewing beer using barley, a staple crop of the time. It's a testament to the enduring love of this frothy beverage, a love that has spanned millennia, transcended cultures, and survived the test of time. So, the next time you're sipping on a pint, remember that you're partaking in a tradition that dates back to the dawn of civilization. Beer, it's not just a drink, it's a piece of human history. Cheers to that!